Hello, so today I'm gonna show you how to implement animations on Android Studio. So I have here a project which is newly created a while back. So I have four text view. So each text view will have its own animation. So we will start by creating a folder and then Android resource directory, and we'll have to name it anim folder. So in this anim folder, this folder will hold our animation in this four text view. So first we need to create a animation resource file in this anim folder. So right click, new animation resource folder, and then type in alpha.xml. So what this alpha XML does? So this will execute our alpha animation for our text view alpha. So we need to type in alpha and delete this and add a closing tag. So inside this alpha tag, we need to declare some code for our alpha animation. So, okay. So we have from alpha and then to alpha and lastly duration. So this from alpha, this will set the state of our animation wherein if we open our application, this will be the first thing to execute. So what does the alpha animation do? Alpha animation does change your opacity from 100% to 0%. So the opacity of this alpha text view will fade out. Okay, so from 100% to 0%. And then we have a duration. So the duration will determine how how longer our animation will execute. So we have here 7,000, meaning it's 7 seconds to be executed before it reaches 0% opacity. After that, in here, I need to change the ID to text alpha. Okay. After I change the text alpha, on the main activity, I need to create a variable. So the variable will be text view alpha and then animation and then alpha animation. Okay. So we have created two variables, which is alpha and then alpha animation. So alpha here in our text view, this will hold the property of our alpha text view. So after that, let's instantiate the alpha. Okay, so this line will instantiate the text view in our alpha. So we need to change this to text alpha so that we have the right target in our layout. So as you can see, the alpha text view has an ID of text alpha. So we need to include here a text alpha. Afterwards, we need to instantiate alpha animation, which we create earlier in this anim folder. So we have alpha.xml. And then after that, we need to animation utils that load animation. These are that anim that alpha XML file. And then lastly, we should have, we need to start our animation. So we need to say that alpha.start animation and then alpha animation. So here's the code wherein our alpha animation will be executed. Okay, so we need to run our application. Just simply go to run and then run app. And then we need to create, we have a virtual device here and we'll just wait for the application. So as you can see, it works fine. Okay, so that is our alpha animation.